with Doc Martin, tonight on 7-2.
This weather report brought to you by Secure Storage Cairns.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Winds have strengthened significantly across eastern Queensland over the past 24 hours, and we now have a small ships warning for all waters north of Bundaberg. Clouds are also returning to the windward side of the ranges, and soon enough we'll start seeing light showers. Today's temperatures are all within the range of a typical winter southeasterly. Nights have warmed up and days are quite mild, 22 to 27 degrees, the range in Cairns. Let's start with the satellite loop now. It's a fairly typical moist winter southeasterly, I suppose you could say, with all the cloud sort of just straddling the eastern seaboard at the moment. Most of the showers are offshore, but a couple of the exposed places like Fraser Island have started to get a few, and so has the Cassowary Coast. They'll be the hotspots for tomorrow as well. Inland, as you can see, is pretty clear, and will start clouding up over maybe around midweek because of an upper level trough. Today's chart got a high pressure system right over Victoria, eastern Victoria. In fact, it's about 1,033, so fairly strong enough to direct strong force winds right up to the tropical and central coast. It's only Fraser Coast and Sunshine Coast waters that are below 25 knots at the moment. On tomorrow's chart, slight eastward movement of the high, not too much, but enough to maintain the strong wind warning, not around Cairns waters, but south of that, and once again to around Burnett Heads. On the outlook chart, nothing changes again, except now the high moves further out into the Tasman Sea and an upper level trough develops in the west, which by Wednesday, Thursday will start to bring some increase in shower activity and bring it further inland. To the latest now from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, southeast winds between 15 and 25 knots tomorrow, a little bit lighter on Wednesday, just 15 to 20 knots, and that goes for Thursday too. Tomorrow morning starts out with a low tide, followed by high tide around the middle of the day. The range is finally narrowing as we move further away from Friday's full moon. The North Tropical Coast and Tablelands are cloudy today and quite drizzly. Cairns 20 up to 27 degrees, Atherton 22, Innisfail 24 and Mareeba 25. Looking ahead for Cairns now, no major weather events coming up, just a gradual rise in the likelihood of showers. Wednesday's probably our best chance at rain, followed by a slow decline into the weekend. For Atherton, most of the showers will fall as drizzle, as it usually does in a southeasterly situation, so rainfall accumulations, as you can see, are very small. And that's all for this evening, my friends. Pleasure to have your company, and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with a whole lot more. Hope you can join me. Have a splendid evening, and now it's back to the team.
Yeah, terrific, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company as always. See you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us, good night.
Good night.
Tonight on 7 News, restrictions return. Masks are